Okay, so first I'm going to part out the top part. I'm doing a horizontal line. I want to keep that free from anything that I'm doing right now. So as you can see, I am doing a vertical line so that I can add a piece of weave. I'm going to be gluing this in with a little bit of hair glue. And this is a weave. You want to make sure you have a weave that blends seamlessly with your hair. So I'm just putting that there, and then I'm going to put my hair dryer on cool so that it will dry. And then next I'm adding sectioning off another vertical line fairly close, maybe 1 or 2 inches away from the one that I did, and I'm gonna glue that right there too, but I'm gonna position it at this angle, not at the angle that I did the previous one. It's very important that you do it that way. So I'm gonna dry it again on cool to make sure it sticks down. And yeah, so you just wanna make sure you do that. Okay, so now I'm going back to the top part. I'm doing a horizontal line. I want to keep the natural hair, as much natural hair there available. And I'm placing the weave again horizontally over there as well. And you want to make sure that there's enough hair around all the parts so that it covers everything. As you can see, everything is seamless. You can't see anything. I just brushed everything out, and I already parted the middle part. So here I'm just braiding the French braid with the weave. So you can add a weave that, if you want your hair to be thicker or a lot longer than it naturally is with the French braid, this is how I do it. This is the technique that works for me, and it looks really, really natural this way. And I'm just going to continue to show you how how it comes out. So you want to make sure that you at least, of course, not at least, definitely wash, blow dry, flat iron your hair if you're going to be using just like regular straight weave, yaki weave, clip-ins. You can also add some gel like Let's Gem or something like that if you want it to look more sleek or shiny, but this is just kind of like a au naturel type of look. So you just want to continue to French braid that all the way to the end. You can add an elastic band if you want, but this hair is not going to unravel. So that's how it comes out, and I hope you liked it.